In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use average in Smartsheet. The average function is a quick way to find the typical value across a set of numbers, and it's especially handy when you're tracking budgets, scores, or performance metrics. We'll walk through placing the result exactly where you want it, selecting the right cells, and confirming the formula so your sheet updates automatically as your data changes. Start by opening your sheet and deciding exactly where you want the average to appear. Click into that destination cell so it's selected. With the cell active, look up to the toolbar and choose Formulas. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen where you can browse and insert functions without needing to memorize syntax. In the search box within that panel, type AVG. You'll see the average function appear in the list. Press Enter to insert it, and you'll be guided to select the values it will average. At this point, you have two straightforward options. You can click and drag across the cells you want included. This is great for a continuous block of numbers, like a column of monthly totals. Or, if your data isn't all in one place, you can click individual cells to add them or type the cell references directly. Take a moment to make sure you're only including the numeric cells you need and not a header or a total row. Blanks and text won't affect the average, but it's still best to be precise. Once you've highlighted or entered the cells, review the selection to confirm it matches what you intended. If you need to change anything, simply adjust the selection before you finalize. When you're satisfied, click Apply in the panel. Smartsheet will calculate the average and place the result in the cell you selected at the start. From here, a few quick tips can help polish the result. If the number shows more decimal places than you want, use the toolbar controls to decrease or increase decimals for a clean presentation. If you realize you grabbed the wrong cells, just click the result cell, open the formula again, and adjust the range. And remember, as the values in those cells change over time, the average will update automatically, so you don't have to redo anything. That's it. Your average is in place, accurate, and ready to support your decisions.